Good morning, good day. Today is Thursday, March the 26th, 2020. We're talking about the linear equations, substitutions. This is for Kettering Middle School, 8th grade math. And we're going to start out with a very simple problem. Again, the objective is for you to understand how to do linear equation systems and solving them using the substitution method and solving for both x and y. Okay, I noticed that individuals have been having difficulties understanding that particular concept, so we're going to start from the very simple and build up, and I know that you can do it. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Let me get my pencil. And each of you should have a notebook, should be writing notes on a daily basis on what I have, and I think I'm going to grade those notebooks once we get back. All right, so we have y is equal to x plus 2, and then I have y is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, so what we have here, we have to substitute, okay, because we're using that method. So we're going to substitute this over here into the y over here. Okay, so let's go back up here. So now my new equation will be x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 6. And of course, we know how to do this. All right. And so here, our minus x here. Everyone's writing this down. And our minus x here. Okay. Put my underline here. All right. So x minus x is 0. Then this just comes down. So this is 2 equals, I have 2x minus x, so this is x minus 6. Okay, I now need to get rid of this over here. So what I'm going to do is add 6 on this side, then add 6 on this side. Okay, I'm on the line here. So now I have 8 is equal to x. So now let me find y. How am I going to find y? Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this 8 here, and I'm going to put it over here. Oops, down a bit too far. Take my 8 and put it over here. Take my 8 and put it over here. Okay, again, get back to my black ink. So I know that y has to equal 8 plus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to 10. And then I know that my y has to equal to 2 times 8 minus 6, and 16, 2 times 8 is 16, minus 6 is equal to 10. So what is my answer? So answer and you're writing down everything I'm writing down. Y is equal to 10. And x is equal to 8. Okay, so you have that there. You can always pause the video to go back. Let's do another one. Okay, so we're bringing this down here. So the next problem I'm going to do is simple. Y is equal to -4 plus x. Okay, and y, oops, and y is equal to x, and I'm going to say plus this time, plus 8. Okay, all right, and let me make this a 2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, well, let me use a different color, green. I'm going to substitute this into y. Okay, go back to my black ink. So now I have -4 plus x is equal to 2x plus 8. Okay, so now I do my solve my equation. Okay, -1 here, the x here, -x over here, -x over here. Put my line over here. I know that everything comes down because I've been doing this forever, right? So now I have -4 is equal to x plus 8. Okay, so we know what to do. -8 here, -8 here. And so now I know that I have -12, -12 is equal to x. All right, so now I can easily solve this particular problem. All I need to do is to take this here, -12, and I'm going to put it into here, and I'm going to put it into here. Okay, so what did I get? Well, let me go back to here. So I have y is equal to -4, oops, y is equal to -4, -4, plus and -12. Of course, we've been doing this since 5th grade. And you know that the answer here will be a -16. Okay, on this we have y is equal to 2 times a -12. Two times a -12. Okay, plus 8. And guess what? So you have 2 times negative 12 is negative 24 plus 8 equals negative 16. Okay, so you know that your answer is right. So basically what I have here is the following. My answer, and of course you're writing this all down in your math notebook. X is equal to negative 12, and Y is equal to negative 16. Okay, I look forward to a few problems just like this on Google Classroom. I'm looking forward to your success. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.